Hey guys, what's happening with the stock market at the moment? You know, we've been waiting for a pullback, we've been waiting for it to come back so we can get some entry points, and it just keeps on going up. Just this week they had a big thing about the pandemic again and the COVID cases rising all over the world, and there was a little bit of a drop, and boom, it's all back to normal. But I would be very concerned, guys. I mean, I don't know, anything could go wrong at the moment. And with the pandemic out there, I'd be very wary of what I'm trading, especially in the hotel industry and whatnot. Guys, if you haven't watched this channel before, it's Rob Guilty. It's all about the stock market. Let's get to it. So yeah, I don't know if you guys have ever discussed City Lodge. I mean, wow, why would anyone trade into City Lodge? I mean, it's quite crazy if you think about it. But what I'm going to do here is I'm going to show you what's going on. All right, so if you look at this, the S&P is still flying up. Look at that. I mean, over here we thought we were going to get a bit of a pullback and get some entry points, and they haven't come about because obviously this has gone back up now. So that's a little bit hectic. But guys, if we go down here and you look at this, why would you buy into something like this? Okay. I mean, with the pandemic around, all right, there's a good possibility that this is going to crash down again. Okay, so I see a lot of people are jumping on the gun in here and thinking this is going to go flying up, but I mean, I don't see a hell of a lot of improvement at all. So guys, if you're going in for something like that, it's up to you, totally up to you. Have a look at the Nikkei. The Nikkei is also, I mean, it's a great buy. Look at this thing, it's really flying. Straight up she goes. So I think that's going to do quite well as well. But like I say, in this market, just be very careful. ABI has done well. It's also definitely flying. So that's a goodie. Oh yes, and then our British American tobacco. So let's talk about British American tobacco, shall we? What actually happened there, right? So we were very fortunate because we traded in, as we discussed previously, and we traded out at around the 570 mark. And yeah, a day or two later it came crashing down. I mean, it opened really low. So yeah, we got out of the trade at a small profit and walked away because it wasn't looking like much. And now it looks like a buy again. It looks like it's coming up for a buy, but it's been very weak. It has been falling, and as I said previously, my big concern was that head and shoulders, and I think it played out, to be quite honest with you. So if you're looking at British American tobacco, it might be a buy now, but it certainly wasn't the other day, and it took a big knock. So, but we were very fortunate. We got out with a bit of a profit there. Okay. Looking at the all share is starting to bounce off this support line here, this trend, which is quite good. Looks like it's going to go back up again. So yeah, that's it for this week, guys. Not going much further than that. I'm not looking at anything else apart maybe from there we go. If you look at ShopRite, that's looking like a possibility. You see here, it's oversold. It's starting to turn. It hasn't quite hit the support, but it is looking to go up, so that might be an option. So guys, if you like that, that's the week. That's what we're doing this week. Like, comment and subscribe. Don't forget to stay in touch, and don't go down to the description and go and check out the books there. It'll help you trade, it'll get you going. But that's our stuff for this week. That's what we're looking at. The only trade we would really look at this week is maybe S&P and ShopRite, if things come into place. Till next week, guys. Thanks for watching. It's Rob Guilty. Cheers.